Today we're going to pull out the speedometer cluster. This whole unit has to come out. We're going to use these tools to pull it out. But first, the speedometer cable runs down and back behind the brake pedal. We have to unclip that, and then the unit will pull out. This is the clip here. You have to release this speedometer cable. Once that's released, it should be able to pull out easy. Okay. I pulled it out. Now I have to disconnect all the wires and all the attachments here on it. We unhooked all the wires and the plugs, and now we're good. The speedometer unit will have to come out, and then we'll have to send it out to be repaired. I got the speedometer out of the dash cluster, and looking at it, I have no clue of how to fix it, so I'm going to send it out, and in a couple of weeks it'll be fixed, and then I can put the unit back in and have an accurate speedometer.